Hey, KB, we've got a very special logic lesson today because we are going to practice with something new that has a very, very special rule with it. So let's get right into it. Wow, check this out. This is going to be our newest consonant digraph. So we are going to have two consonants working together to make one sound. Now, check out the letters you see on your screen. Okay, you see the consonant C and the consonant K. And you might be thinking, Mr. Vesda, C and K make the same sound. And you're right. C says K and K says K. Now, when C, K are together, they have a very special job. Okay? Now, the cool thing about this digraph is you already know the sound because it's the sound you've been thinking about since you've seen these letters. Okay? These two letters are just going to work together to say K. So it's the sound you already know for C and the sound you know for K. They're just working together to have a special job. And we'll talk about that job in a second. But for right now, just know this is a consonant digraph and the sound it makes is K. Can you say K? Good, you already know that sound, so it should be easy for you. Now, here's the special rule, and this is really what this digraph is all about. So please listen closely. We will use this consonant digraph anytime we have a K sound after a short vowel sound. Let me say that again. We are going to use CK, this consonant digraph, for the sound K anytime we have a K sound after a short vowel sound. That is the only time we use this digraph. So, this consonant digraph CK, the sound is K, and we only use it after a short vowel sound. Let me show you what that looks like when we read some words together. Okay? Check out this word. You should notice at the end we see CK. Okay? Now, our rule says we only use it after a short vowel sound. And when I read this word to you, you will hear it. Okay? Here it is. B-a-k, back. I want you to look at this A. A is our vowel, and it's making our short sound ah. We have a k sound after that short sound ah. So we have to use CK. If we just put BAC or BAK, that would not spell the word back. Back is BACK with this digraph at the end. And why is that digraph there? Because we have k after a short vowel sound. Go ahead, put your thumb up and just practice finger spelling the word back. Go ahead. Good. Let's take a look at another. Okay. In this word, we're going to have another short sound in the middle, and that's why we see CK at the end. Put your thumb up, and let's do this one together. I'll count to 3, and then we'll try it. 1, 2, 3, go. D-a-k, duck. Here's the word duck. Look at the U. Our U is the vowel, and it's making its short sound, Because we have a k sound after that short sound, the consonant digraph is here, CK, for the sound k. Okay, let's take a look at another one. I want you to put your thumb up and try this one all by yourself. Go ahead. Okay, This word is pick. In the word pick, we have our vowel is I. It is making a short sound, I. We have a k sound after that short vowel sound. So CK, our digraph, is here again. P, I, k, pick. Remember, we'll only ever use this digraph after short vowel sounds. Okay, check out the next word. This word starts with a consonant blend, and then it ends with our new digraph, and that's okay. Think about what you know about SP and the sound SP will make, and then put your thumb up and go ahead, try to read this word. This word is spec, spec. The word spec does start with our consonant blend, sp, so we use SP. E is in the middle, it's making a short sound, eh. We have a k sound right after that short vowel sound, so our new rule tells us we have to use the digraph CK. So, before we spell some words, let's make sure we remember this rule. Our consonant digraph CK makes the sound k, and we only use it after a short vowel sound. And we see the consonant digraph CK at the end of words like ack, duck, pick, and spec. Okay, next we're going to spell some words. So have your whiteboard ready. Each word we're going to do is going to have a k sound after a short vowel sound. So you will write CK at the end. I want you to get used to writing C and K for k after a short vowel sound. Okay, let's try one out. Your first word today is going to be the word rock. Rock. So fingerspell rock and try to write it on your board. Okay, let's see if you got it. Now, the sounds I hear in rock are r, ah, k, rock. When I write rock on my board, I start with the sound r and I write r. In the middle, for our vowel sound, I hear ah, so I write o. And then I think, ooh, that's a short sound. I hear k after that short vowel sound, so I need to make sure I write CK. Aw is a short vowel sound. Whenever there's a k sound after aw, I'm going to write CK. Rock. R-O-C-K. Please fix it if you don't have R-O-C-K. We have to make sure we have our digraph at the end. Alrighty, let's try another one. Please erase rock. And your next word is sick. Sick. So think about our new digraph and write the word sick. Okay, let's see how you did. Here's the word sick. When I look at the word sick and I hear this, think about the sounds I hear s, I, k, sick. On my board, I should start by writing S for s. Our vowel is I, oops, and it's making a short sound, eh. And then I think to myself, oh, I've got a k sound after this short vowel sound, so I need to write CK. Sick is SICK. We have to use this digraph, CK, because we have a k sound after the short vowel sound, I. Just like we had a k sound after the short vowel sound, aw, in rock, sick also gets our digraph at the end. Okay? Now, on our last word, I'm really going to challenge you. This word is going to have two different consonant digraphs. It's going to have one at the beginning, and it's going to have our new one at the end. I want to see if you can spell it. Your last word today is check. Check. Think about the digraph sound you hear at the beginning and the digraph you'll use at the end with our new rule, and try to write check. Okay, let's see if you got it. Look at the word check. The sounds I hear are ch, k, check. So I really need to think about this one when I write it on my board. The first sound, ch, is our digraph sound for ch. So I write C and H. In the middle is our vowel sound, eh. So I should write the vowel E. Then I think to myself, uh-oh, I have a short vowel sound, eh, with k after it. Our new rule says that I have to use the consonant digraph, CK, for k after any short vowel sound. So I write CK for that k sound at the end. Check is ch, eh, k, check. CHECK. Okay, so make sure you have check on your board. Now, my friends, we are going to practice with this new consonant digraph a lot at school. For right now, I want you to try to remember that yes, this is called a consonant digraph. We have two consonants. We have C and K, and they are together are going to make the sound k. And we only choose this consonant digraph for k after a short vowel sound in words like back, up, kick, speck, rock, sick, and check. We will practice a lot with this at school, but thank you for listening and learning with me today with this new consonant digraph, CK.